Hi guys, I'm Spike and we are now here at the new S5S Autohub facility here at Visayas Ave, Quezon City. And we have here a genuine Ford Mustang GT500 Shelby. So the client arrived, dinala niya to with the car na nakarap na ng PPF that was done by another shop. So ang gagawin natin, we will be reviving the beauty of this GT500. So ang gagawin natin, number one, we will unwrap this car. We will do paint correction kasi nga ganito na yung nangyari sa kanya. And then, meron tong mga stains na nag-accumulate dito sa edges. So the PPF was cut on the edges. So nag-accumulate siya ng stains and mga dirt. Especially white car siya, so madali siyang mapansin. And even dito, parang nagkaroon ng parang molds yata ito eh. So pinasok ng stains, mga dirts, sand, yung edge ng PPF. So here at S5S, what we will do, the way we install here, yung pinapakita namin sa inyo lagi, we will be dismantling all the body panels, all the body parts, and we will do tuck-in. Diba? So naka-tuck-in lahat ng wrap, yung PPF, may it be vinyl, PPF, so nakapasok siya to avoid accumulation of dirt dito sa mga edges. We will also be refreshing all the black parts nito from the front chin, side splitters, side skirts, rear diffusers, and yung kinabit natin before na rear louvers. So ito, lahat to ipipaint natin yan. So lahat ng black parts dito sa GT500 Shelby na to, i-repaint natin siya. So meron ditong naka-semi-gloss black, may naka-piano black dito, and syempre yung clear gloss paint protection film natin which is self-healing property. And we are excited about this project, especially the whole team, yung mga boys natin, kasi we can showcase yung workmanship nila. Excited kami kasi yung owner, kita niya yung mga sample works natin, yung mga referral ng friends niya, nakita na rin niya yung trabaho ng iba. Excited siya na may apply namin yung workmanship namin to his GT500 Shelby. So guys, in the next few days, samahan nyo ako, i-refresh natin tong GT500 Shelby. Hindi to yung regular na ginagawa natin na naka-kit. So kung nakikita nyo yung display natin doon, we have yung mga kits from EcoBoost GT5.0 to GT500 na look. May mga Mustang na EcoBoost and 5.0. Give me a call, we can help you build ng ganitong look na GT500. But this one is a genuine Shelby. So guys, for more inquiries, just message me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Here at S5S, we don't just transform cars. We elevate your comfort, vision, protection, and lifestyle.